Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. Stellar is still struggling to re-enter a very big rising wedge pattern that I showed you in my previous videos as well, and that is formed on the weekly time frame. And by the way, at this time, the price line is also geared up from the potential reversals on of a very big harmonic move that I shared for my members at the Patreon and with you as well. And this was a chart that I shared on 11th of December when the price line completed this final leg of the harmonic bullish reversal guardly move. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas here for my members at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me here, then I have also shared the link to join me at the Patreon in the video's description. You can find there. Now, I'm just going to play the chart to show you how the price line behaved after posting this chart, and you can see that the price line reversed bullish and moved up to 30 cents approximately, and now having some correction. And the reason why the price line is not able to move more up is still the resistance of the rising wedge pattern that was previously working as a support. Now this support has been turned into a resistance, and this is the trend line that is stopping the price line to move more up. And once the price line manages to re-enter this wedge, then we can expect a very, very massive move, because first the price line will hit here at the resistance, and then if we will have a breakout, then we can expect another rally to the upside. I will share the targets for that move with you as well in this video. But first, I'm going to show you this down channel that we have broken out on the daily time frame. That was the first signal that we are going to re-enter the channel. And here we also have a very, very nice support at 25.5 cents. And we can see that this support has been working previously as a very, very nice resistance and support. Here it has been working as a support, here resistance, here is support, and right now it is working as a support again. And when we were moving down inside this channel, then after reaching this support, the price line accumulated above this support and broke out this resistance of the channel. Right now we are having some correction, and we can expect that the price line will not break down this support, and from here it can continue its move to the upside. Still, we have a very, very strong resistance this rising wedge pattern, but the target for this down channel can be approximately here at 41 to 42 cents. Now, if the price line re-enters this wedge, then the resistance will be approximately at 44 cents. And if we take a look at the sell targets of this harmonic move, that starts from approximately 32 cents and goes to 39.27 cents. And if we move back to the daily time frame on this channel, here I would like to show you this oscillator. Then we still have a bullish divergence on this daily time frame as the price line is forming lower highs. You can see that this high is lower than the previous high, slightly lower. Here we had the price that is 30.87 cents, and here we had the price 30.59 cents. There is a very small difference, but if we watch the RSI, then there is a very big difference from this high to this high. So there is also a bullish divergence on this daily time frame as well. And even if we watch this high as well, then we can see this is also a lower high, and there is a very, very big difference of the next high of the oscillator of RSI. It has formed a very big high from the previous high. So this bullish divergence is also giving us the signals that there is a very high probability that this move will be continued and we will be re-entered in this wedge. Now, after the breakout, for example, if we are going to break out this wedge, then our next expected target can be, if I place it here at the breakout point, for example, if we're going to have a breakout from here, that can be approximately at 64 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.